Hey guys, so I want to bring to you the loop that broke the internet a couple of years ago, and it's Childish Gambino's Redbone. And me and my producer worked really hard on this illustration so you guys can learn easy. Look at this. Now that sounds really soulful. And how do we do this? So the important thing here is, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to make the backing track and chords at the end, but let's get into the juicy part. So we're in key of A minor, right? The important setup that you wanna do is have the backing track a little bit lower than your guitar volume, right? And you go, right? That just brings you to the front. It's really important here. And if you guys like this tone, it'll be in my Patreon. It's the next tone coming, so check that out. And the backing track also will be in the Patreon. So it starts right here. We're in the key of A minor. The loop goes like this. That's the very first part. And you come in on that first chord, right? Now, to make this groove sound authenticious, you want to kind of move every note with your finger. So you give like every note a little bit of vibrato. So I go, so it's a, right? So I'm not doing that. Although you could do that, you can go, I want to make it sound really melodic, and what I'm doing is I'm keeping that one finger on this note. Right? I'm doing this. So it's right? So it's right? That's what makes it sound really juicy. The right? And that's the first line, right? The second line goes right? Notice how I am trying to bring every note alive, right? I'm not going, I'm going, right? So I'm trying to desperately bring these notes alive. And the way you want to do that is just move them around slightly. Because if you do the rock vibrato, go, it's too much, right? You want to do this slight thing, like slowly, which takes a lot of practice. Right? Just a very slow vibrato. So let's get into the second sequence. So we go. But try to, again, the important thing is to move every note just a little bit and don't go. Don't do that. Don't do. You see the difference between that and that's where you get that tone, right? And if you like this illustration, we worked really hard, by the way, and there's gonna be more coming, and subscribe to the best YouTube channel in the world. Anyway, so this is what we got. Right? And then you go. And I like to, I don't think he does that in the original recording, but I like to do this. Right? And this is just a beautiful ending. And then it's just loops over again. But I want to show you a little bit more, right? There's another sequence that's really cool that adds into this backing track, which goes. Ooh, I mean, when you add that to. Right, that is just oof. You play that for your lady, it's red panty night. You know what I'm saying? The whole reason of this is so you guys can create the loop at home and really make it sound good. The difference between this one and everything I've taught you prior is that here you don't do the vibrato. You want those static notes. And on the last one you vibrato it, but everything else is static. So here we go. And that's it, right? And then the second sequence after that goes. And then I go. And I just kind of ended there, right? That kind of brings everything together. You can loop this on. The final thing left is the chords. And the chords are very, very important here, guys. The way I play it is I don't just go the full F chord and then G chord and then A minor chord. I specifically pick notes. So I go just to get that bassy sound. So those are the chords that I play. And the reasoning behind that is when I do this, so that stands out. Because here if I go, that's not going to stand out anymore. So the thinking behind is play the basses up here and then make that thing stand out. So that's the rhythm. In the right hand, I'm plucking all of the 3 strings at the same time, and it goes. So it's 1, 1, 1, 1, and it goes slap, 1, slap. I'm going to be posting the lyric style on my Patreon, and if you enjoy this video, you can check all that stuff there, backing tracks there, but check out this lyric that I'm about to play for you. I think it sounds amazing. Take a look.